areas of our planet are quickly losing their night sky, and the problem is getting worse, scientists have warned. New research has shown that the use of artificial lighting coming off of lampposts, buildings, and cars is leading to a loss of night in many areas across the globe. The death of the night could have serious implications for animals and plants, who are biologically programmed to react differently during night and day. An interactive map has been created to reveal the global regions worst hit by light pollution. Areas of our planet are quickly losing their night sky, and the problem is getting worse, scientists have warned. An interactive map has been created to reveal the global regions worst hit by light pollution. Users can left-click and drag the map, or slide their finger on a touchscreen device to the desired location, and can zoom in using the mouse wheel or zoom button. The artificially lit area of our planet continues to grow in both size and brightness in most countries, the new study found. Researchers said, artificial light is an environmental pollutant that threatens nocturnal animals and affects plants and microorganisms. Dr Christopher Kyba of the GFZ German Research Centre for Geoscience in Potsdam and colleagues measured the spread of light across the world using satellite images of the Earth's surface. By comparing pictures taken at night over the years, the scientists were able to map out how much light pollution increased. Only 2 countries were less well lit between 2012 and 2016, Syria and Yemen, both racked by conflict. In some of the world's most developed countries, such as the United States, United Kingdom and Spain, lighting levels hardly changed. Most of the growth in lighting occurred in developing countries.The researchers said. With few exceptions, growth in lighting occurred throughout South America, Africa, and Asia. The team warns that the rise of cheaper LED lights may increase light pollution, as towns and cities use more lights at night than before. In the UK, some councils have switched off street lights at night, often citing budgetary reasons, but some also claim that it is better for wildlife and the environment. In their study, published in Science Advances, the researchers say there is hope that advanced designs of LED lamps can reduce light pollution by 2/3, without any noticeable difference. Dr Kyba said, other studies, and the experience of cities like Tucson, Arizona, show that well-designed LED lamps allow a 2/3 or more decrease of light emission without any noticeable effect for human perception. Dr Kyba's previous research has shown that the US creates more light pollution than countries such as Germany, which shows that technological development of a country need not mean increasing light pollution. Under a 2005 law, light pollution can be considered a statutory nuisance.Common complaints target security lighting, as well as floodlighting of football and hockey pitches and tennis courts, a 2010 survey found. The research follows an interactive map created by data scientists to show which of Earth's regions are most heavily affected by light pollution. Users can left-click and drag the map to the desired direction or slide their finger, if you are using a touchscreen-capable device, and can zoom in using the mouse wheel or zoom buttons. Areas most heavily impacted by light pollution are highlighted in red, while those moderately affected have a yellow tinge. A green or blue color indicates lower light pollution, while blank areas are those unaffected by artificial lighting. The map reveals that populous, large cities such as London, New York and Sydney are among the worst affected areas. Regions of Europe hit particularly hard by light pollution include Spain, Italy and Belgium, while in North America Florida and Texas are among the biggest emitters. In the UK, light pollution is largely focused around its biggest cities, including London, Manchester, Glasgow and Birmingham.